Hello children, in this video we will be discussing about animals, wild animals and domestic animals. Under domestic animals we will also discuss about pet animals and farm animals, and there will also be a jungle safari and much more. Are you ready for it? So children, we will first discuss about wild animals, those that live in the jungle. Okay children, we listen carefully. This is deer. This is elephant. This is fox. Listen carefully, okay? I'll ask you at the end. This is giraffe. And this is hippopotamus. And now comes jackal. And this is kangaroo. All these are wild animals. This is leopard. This is lion. And can you tell me what this is? Yes, monkey. And this is cheetah. It runs very fast. This is rhinoceros. And this is tiger. Now comes tortoise. This is wolf. And you have the yak now. And the last one is zebra. Black and white zebra. Okay, now let's go for a jungle safari. And you'll tell me which is what animal. Alright, we are going to have a lot of fun. Ready? Okay, we start. Now tell me which animal is this? Yes, yes, this is deer. Correct. Yes, now tell me which animal is this? So there's a mother and a baby. Which is it? Tell me fast. Yes, I can hear you. It is elephant. Okay, now tell me which animal is this? What? You can't understand. Okay, I'll tell you. This is fox. Okay, children, now watch carefully the next one. Alright, yes, this is jackal. Very good. Alright, and the next one is kangaroo. Yes, I'm sure you know this one, right? Which animal is this? Tell me. A little louder, please. It is a, tell me, lion. Correct. Very good. Okay, and the next one is rhinoceros. And this is the, tell me, yes, tortoise. See, it is eating the grass so nicely. It is very hungry, looks like. So this brings us to the last animal in this jungle safari, and it is, tell me, black and white. It is, yes, zebra. Very good. Now we will do domestic animals next. Under domestic animals, we will do pet animals and farm animals. Let us start with pet animals. So this is a camel. Next we will see cat. And the next one is dog. And you have a fish. All these animals we can keep at home. So they are called domestic animals and pet animals. This is a parrot. And this is a rabbit. Now let us see their videos, alright? So you'll have to tell me which is what. So this is a camel. Now everyone knows this is dog. Correct. Now you know what is this one? Tell me. Yes, this is a parrot. Now tell me the next one. This is a rabbit. See, it eats so fast. Discuss about the farm animals, and we start with cow. And next is the donkey. Under farm animals, you also have goat. And then comes hen. You also have horse. Now comes pig. And here is sheep. You get wool from sheep. Okay children, now let's visit the farms and find out which animal is what. Okay, tell me which one is this? Yes, cow. Now tell me the next one. This is, you can see a goat and hen, right? Okay, now this is, tell me, horse. Correct. Right, it is running. Now you can see sheep, right? So many sheep, they are grazing the grass. Okay children, thank you for attending my class. So if I missed anything, please let me know in the comments. Alright, bye.